Solve 32x cube minus 52x square plus 9 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x square term. What I mean is, see, 32x cube in place of minus 52x square. Now we should write minus 48x square minus 4x square plus 9 equal to 0. This is your step 1. Next, from these two terms, what can be taken out common is 16x square. So here you get 2x minus, from this 16x square out you get 3. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is minus 1. Here you get 4x square and here you get minus 9 equal to 0. Now this quadratic, I will simplify it here. That is 4x square minus 9. In place of 4, now I write 2 square. X square minus, in place of 9, 3 square. Now 2 square x square will become 2x whole square minus 3 square. The reason for us to change this to this form is, now on this we should apply the formula a square minus b square, that is a minus b times a plus b. In place of a, 2x, in place of b, 3. So this will become 2x minus 3 times 2x plus 3. So in place of this quadratic, now we should write this over here. So this equation becomes 16x square 2x minus 3 minus 1, in place of this 1. 2x minus 3, 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Now from this entire equation, what can be taken out common is 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3 outside. Over here we are left with 16x square, and over here we are left with these two, that is minus 1 times 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Now 2x minus 3, 16x square. Now you open up the brackets in this way. You get minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now this quadratic, I will factorize it here. That is 16x square minus 2x minus 3. To factorize this, we should split the middle term, minus 2x. In place of minus 2x, now I write minus 8x plus 6x minus 3. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is 8x. So here you get 2x minus, from this 8x out you get 1. Whatever we got here, here also we should get the same thing. From this 2x gone inside, so outside we get plus 3. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out 2x minus 1 common. So here you have 8x and here plus 3. Now in place of this quadratic, we should write this over here. So this equation becomes 2x minus 3, 2x minus 1, 8x plus 3 equal to 0. more. They told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. So to get x values we should equate each bracket to 0, that is 2x minus 3 equal to 0, 2x minus 1 equal to 0, 8x plus 3 equal to 0. Now to get x value from here, we should remove minus 3, so add 3. We get 2x equal to 3. Now we should remove 2, so divide by 2. We get x equal to 3 by 2. Now here, first we should remove minus 1, so add 1. We get 2x equal to 1. Now we should remove 2, so divide by 2. We get x equal to 1 by 2. Now here, first we should remove plus 3, so subtract 3. We get 8x equal to minus 3. Now we should remove 8, so divide by 8. We get x equal to minus 3 by 8. So the x values that we got are 3 by 2, 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 8. This is our answer.